Hi, this is Todd with glutenfreeclub.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon swirl quick bread. This is a great, quick and easy recipe for a bread to serve with tea, coffee, or even as a light dessert. So, first we're going to take a large mixing bowl and mix together our dry ingredients, which includes 2 cups of gluten-free flour, a teaspoon of gluten-free baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum, which you can find in any gluten-free section of your local supermarket, and it's used to improve the texture of your bread, and this will make sure that it's not as crumbly. And also, we're going to add half a teaspoon of salt. So, next we're just going to take a whisk and mix together all of our dry ingredients. Once those are combined together thoroughly, we're going to move on to adding the wet ingredients. So for that, we have 1 cup of buttermilk, which we add to our mixer, as well as a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and also a large egg. So after we added those, we're going to mix them all together until they're thoroughly combined. After those are properly mixed together, we're going to combine them with our dry ingredients. And now we're going to mix them together in order to make the dough. You want to make sure to scrape the sides of the bowl because it's fairly easy for all the batter to clump up all in one spot. Now that those are mixed together, you want to make sure to get all of the dough off of the mixer and into the bowl again. Now that we have our dough mixed together, we're going to make our topping, which is going to be a tablespoon of cinnamon as well as 1/3 cup of sugar. So we're going to combine those into a small bowl and mix them all together. Simple enough. Now when we have these mixed together, we're going to take our bread loaf pan and spray the sides with non-stick oil spray. Now that we have our dough, I'm going to just use my hands, grab half of it, and spread it into the pan. Now that that's on the bottom, we're going to take our cinnamon and sugar mixture and sprinkle half of that onto the top. Now, I'll grab the remaining dough and repeat the same process, just spreading it across the top throughout the entire pan, and then sprinkling the rest on top. So this is what your loaf should look like before it goes into the oven. So now we're going to take it into our preheated oven, which is at 350 degrees, and we're going to let it bake for 35 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it comes fresh out of the oven. So now all you have to do is slice and enjoy.